Wibbly Pig. A crab? That's not wibbly. 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 Oh, that's a whale. Wibbly. Aha! It's me! I like your box. It's not a box, it's a boat. Oh, where's the mast then? Here! It needs a sail too. Oh, yeah. Tiny Pig, are you coming as well?
I got my blanket in case it's cold.
Hey, I've got an idea. See? Now we've got a sail.
Yay! What's a sail?
A sail? A sail catches the wind and makes the boat move. Watch. Oh, nearly forgot. We need a map. But there's nothing there. That's why we're going on a great big adventure to see what is there. I love great big adventures.
I hope it's not too great big. I'm only tiny.
It'll be fun. And we can draw pictures of all the things we see. Yeah, our sailing boat. All aboard! Look, Wibbly, the sail's moving in the breeze.
Oh, look, we're moving!
What can you see, Wibbly? Not much. Oh, what's that? Is it a fish? No, not a fish.
It isn't a shark, is it?
I know. It's another boat.
It's even tinier than me.
There's a picture on it. An island. Wow. Yeah, let's go there.
But how will we find it, Wibbly?
We'll let the wind take us there.
Whee!
The wind's blowing stronger.
And our boat is moving faster.
Who knows what we'll find? There might be sea monsters. Hey, what's that? Another boat? It's a rock. With a crab on it. I'll draw a picture. Hello, Smiley Crab.
Hello, hello.
I'm Captain Wibbly. We're on a great big adventure. To see what's there. Have you seen the island?
Saw something. Something big.
Ooh, which way?
That way. Ha ha.
Thanks, Smiley Crab. Bye.
Bye-bye.
Now the wind's getting stronger. Look at the sail.
It's making the boat go quicker.
Oh, it's getting a bit stormy now.
The sea's getting all bumpy.
It's only the waves. Up and down and up and down and...
It makes your tummy go wee.
It's making my tummy go... Oh, I'm glad we've stopped. But now there's no wind. Look at the sail.
How will we get to the island? How will we get home?
I don't think so. Why? Because islands aren't blue. Islands aren't smooth. And islands don't have eyes.
Eyes? It's a sea monster.
No, it's a whale. Quick, draw a picture. Draw a picture. Can you help us get to the island, Mr. Whale? Wibbly! It wasn't me. Hey! Over there! I can see the island. We found it! Thank you, Mr. Whale. I'll draw a picture. Come on, let's explore. Look what I found. Footprints. There's someone else here. Let's follow them.
A great big sandcastle.
I wonder who lives here. Hello, who are you? I'm Captain Wibbly. We're on a great big adventure.
To see what's there.
Same here. I found this island all on my own. Did you send the paper boat? Yes, and I built this sandcastle. It's very nice. But it's not as nice as home. The thing is, I don't know the way back. Oh, Wibbly, can you remember the way home? Oh, yeah. I drew a map. Of course. Well done, Wibbly. Follow me, everyone.
The wind is filling the sail up.
That means we'll soon be home. It's the whale. Hello, Mr. Whale. Hello again, Smiley Crab.
Safe trip.
Where are you going now, Wibbly? Who knows? Another great big adventure. Bye-bye. Bye-bye, Wibbly.